heat sink. Some power losses occur in thyristors during its working. This loss is converted into heat. The heat produced in the junction of thyristor is dissipated into the atmospheres through case of SCR. If the rate of rise of temperature is increased, then the rate of heat dissipated into atmosphere which increase the temperature of the junctions, which may damage the SCR. So, to increase the rate of heat dissipation in the atmosphere, the SCRs are mounted on the aluminum or copper surface by black anodize. This is called heat sink. So, heat transfer from junction to case of thyristor and then atmosphere through heat sink. So, fins are provided on the heat sink to increase the surface area. So, the heat dissipation from heat sink to atmosphere by convection. So, more heat is dissipated into the atmospheres due to the radiation of black coated heat sink. So, normally the heat transfer from heat sink to atmosphere by convection, but sometimes cooling fan is used when it's required. Then next, thermal resistance. As we know, the resistance is oppose the flow of electric current. Similarly, the thermal resistance oppose the thermal power flow, and this thermal resistance is denoted by theta. So the power loss P average in watt causes the temperature at 2 points, that means T1 and T2. So where T1 is greater than T2. So the thermal resistance can be written as theta12 is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by P average. Degree centigrade per watt. So the unit of thermal resistance is degree centigrade per watt. So now when the heat produced in the junction temperature due to the internal loss, the flow of heat in the thyristor is the first from junction to case, second case to heat sink, then heat sink to atmospheres. So if Tj is the junction of temperature degree centigrade, Tc is the temperature of case in degree centigrade, Ts heat sink temperature in degree per centigrade. Theta Jc is the thermal resistance between junction to case in degree centigrade per watt. Theta Cs is the thermal resistance between case to sink in degree centigrade per watt. Similarly, theta Sa is the thermal resistance between sink to atmosphere in degree centigrade per watt. Thermal equivalent circuit for SCR. So now already we have seen the thermal resistance of the SCR is defined as theta12 is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by P average, and its unit is degree centigrade per watt. So now this is the basic equivalent circuit of the thermal equivalent circuit for the SCR, where Tj it is the temperature at junction, Tc means the temperature at case, Ts means the temperature at heat sink, and Ta that means the temperature at atmosphere or ambient temperature. Now theta Jc, that means it is a thermal resistance between junction and case, and it is denoted by theta Jc. Similarly, theta Cs, it is a thermal resistance between case to sink, and it is denoted by theta Cs. Now theta Sa, it is a thermal resistance between heat sink and ambient temperature. Now from that I can write Ta minus Tj is equal to Pav bracket theta Jc plus theta Cs plus theta Sa. So I can write P average is equal to Tj minus Tg divided by theta Jc is equal to Ts minus Tc minus Ts divided by theta Cs is equal to Ts minus Ta divided by theta Sa. So I can write Tj minus Ta is equal to theta Ja. Theta Ja, it is nothing but summation of theta Jc plus theta Cs plus theta Sa. The value of theta Jc, that means the value of thermal resistance between junction to case, it is already given in the data sheet, which is provided by the manufacturer. The thermal resistance value between junction to sink, theta Cs, depends on the size of case, flatness of surface, clamping pressure, and the conducting rays between the two surfaces of case and heat sink. So now the values of theta Cs, it is also provided in the data sheets, and its value between 0.05 degree centigrade per watt to 0.5 degree centigrade per watt. Now the thermal resistance between sink to ambient temperature depends on the heat sink material, surface area, finishing of heat sink. For natural cooling, its value is taken as theta Sa is equal to 0.5 degree centigrade per. Selection of heat sink. So in data sheet of thyristor, represent the value of maximum temperature Tj, thermal resistance between junction to case, and the thermal resistance between case to sink. Now, if we know the value of P average and Ta by using this equation, Tj minus Ta is equal to PAV in bracket theta Jc plus theta Cs plus theta Sa, we can find out the value of theta Sa. So now this value is used to select the heat sink to compare with the data sheet of heat sink. So now let's take one example for particular SCR. Tj maximum is equal to 125 degree centigrade. Thermal resistance between junction to case is 0.4 degree centigrade per watt, and the thermal resistance between source to junction to case to sink is equal to 0.1 degree centigrade per watt, and ambient temperature taken by 125 degree centigrade, and the power dissipation in the SCR is 75 watt. Now just put the value in this equation. So you will get the value of theta Sa is equal to 0.83 degree centigrade per watt. So now from the data sheet of heat sink, now you can say that for 75 watt power SCR, 0.83 degree centigrade per watt, or the less than the heat sink thermal resistance is selected.